At AvePoint, we develop software specialized into governance and compliance solutions in financial services, manufacturing, that helps manage, govern, ensure compliance to support Microsoft collaboration systems, as well as try to boost the productivity of users that are using those Microsoft tools.
And so by us providing solutions to ensure that the back end runs smoothly, the front end operations, the collaboration itself can continue with confidence, as they say.
So collaboration with confidence really means enabling collaboration faster, better, quicker, but also doing so in kind of a railed experience where users can't do the wrong thing or can't create risk.
Every single one of the industries out there may have a niche problem, whether it's Sarbanes-Oxley, whether it's HIPAA. And so what we do is we look at each vertical, kind of see what the unique pain is when it comes to collaboration, and then kind of fit a solution in specifically to their needs. Whether they're compliance tools, whether they're data protection tools, whether they're responsible migration tools, the ability for people to intelligently provision a site, to archive a site, to offload their work if they need to take it off of the cloud.
So as an ISV working in the Microsoft ecosystem, there's a tremendous benefit to being in Windows Azure.
When we first launched our online services, I remember every time we had an update window, I'd stay up at 3 or 4 a.m. hoping that things would work. But with Azure, we've got our staging environments, we've got simulations that we're running. These are all things that take the pressure off of my day-to-day workload and let me focus on building new solutions.
We've got a multi-tenant solution running in Azure that services 3 million users now. And so we can never accurately predict when we're going to need more computing power versus less computing power.
By being able to move into worker roles and web roles, we're able to scale to hundreds of thousands of users running backups at exactly the same time, something that we could not have achieved on-prem using traditional VMs.
We're at the stage today where we work with some of the major financial companies out there, and every one of their users touches our software every day. And they have the flexibility of what solution we want to use, whether it's an IaaS cloud, a SaaS cloud, or a platform as a service cloud on the Azure platform is really core.
Office 365 itself is a representation of how powerful Azure is. The blob storage for OneDrive for Business is Azure Blob and Block. If you're performing a migration to Office 365, you're using ExpressRoute, which is an Azure technology. Microsoft has built this single infrastructure, this single platform, and it includes Office 365, it includes Azure, and all of these components are intertwined. And because the data centers are co-located, because the bits are sitting right next to one another, you're never going to get better performance.
As an ISV, one of the things we've always loved about Microsoft is how partner-centric they are. Free training, free communication streams, lots of transparency about their roadmap and where they're investing, really trying to make sure that as they architect and continue to evolve this system, it's going to meet the business needs of the customers. All that's required is find a really good way to leverage the power of what Microsoft is providing and prove it out in a business case, and you're going to get attention. If we look to the future in what Azure and the capabilities of the Azure platform are going to mean to us in our business, I think the first thing is that Azure has really opened up a lot of capabilities for us to think about solutions that would have been beyond what we could have managed before. Microsoft is ridiculously investing in the types of hooks that we need to build good, powerful solutions for our customers. I don't have to figure out how to do it. Microsoft figured out how to do it, and they're allowing me to do it when and where I want to do it.